Samsung is hyping up the Galaxy S24 before its official unveiling on January 17, 2024. The company has started releasing short teaser videos for its upcoming flagship smartphone series. Although the designs, features and specifications of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra have leaked already, Samsung is trying to generate interest in its upcoming devices. Samsung hypes up Galaxy S24 with a bold teaser video. The South Korean firm has released a new video that says, "Galaxy AI is coming." Moreover, it also claims that Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone series will bring a new era of mobile, similar to the Galaxy Fold series and the Galaxy Note series, which were groundbreaking devices when they debuted. The video shows Samsung's rich history of mobile innovations, including its first mobile phone in 1988, the world's first TV phone in 1999, phones with immersive Super AMOLED screens in 2011, water-resistant Galaxy devices in 2014, first Samsung Pay phone in 2015, and Galaxy Fold phones in 2020. The Galaxy S24 is rumoured to come with several AI-powered features. The company has already announced that Galaxy AI will allow real-time language translation during voice calls. Other leaks and reports have revealed that the Galaxy S24 series will also bring a generative AI-powered wallpaper generator, weather effects for the lock screen wallpaper, note summarization in Samsung Notes, generative AI fill for edited images, and the ability to erase subjects from images and videos. The built-in voice recorder would also offer voice-to-text and tag up to 10 people in a voice recording. Samsung Keyboard will offer grammar correction and language improvements. More AI-powered features will likely be announced during the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event, where the Galaxy S24 will be unveiled.